A very good morning to all of you. 10th class students here. We are going to study about the new chapter, that is light, in which we have to study about the reflection and refraction of light. So first of all, I would like to tell about what is light. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see objects from which it comes or from which it is reflected. For example, the sun gives out light, therefore we can see the sun. Theory about the nature of light. There are two theories about the nature of light. First, we will study about the wave theory of light, and second, the particle theory of light. According to wave theory of light, light consists of electromagnetic waves which don't require a material medium for their propagation. The wavelength of visible light wave is very small, that is the speed of light is about 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in vacuum. According to particle theory of light, light is composed of particles which travels in a straight line at very high speed. The elementary particle that defines light is photon. The modern theory of light, called quantum theory of light, combines both the wave and particle models of light. Come on, the reflection of light. What do you understand by the reflection of light? The process of sending back the light rays which falls on the surface of an object is called reflection of light. The reflection of light is as shown in the figure. When a beam of light AU falls on a mirror at a point 2, it is sent back by the mirror in another direction OB, and we can say that mirror has reflected the beam of light falling on it. The ray of light which falls on the mirror surface is called the incident ray, and the ray of light which is sent back by the mirror is called reflected ray. Next one, the line of at right angle to the mirror surface at the point of incidence is called normal. So students, we have studied about the incident ray, reflected ray and normal. Come on the next topic, laws of reflection of light. The reflection of light takes place according to two laws which are known as laws of reflection of light. The laws of reflection of light are given below, to which we will study about here. The first law of reflection. According to first law of reflection of light, the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal at the point of incident all lies in the same plane. Listen it again. The first law of reflection. According to the first law of reflection, the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal at the point of incident all lies in the same plane. Second law of reflection. According to the second law of reflection of light, the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Come on the next topic, object and image. Anything which gives light rays, either its own or reflected by its, called an object. Anything which gives light rays, either its own or reflected by it, called an object. For example, a candle, a bulb, etc. What is image? Image is an optical appearance produced when light rays coming from an object are reflected from a mirror or refracted through a lens. So students, I hope you all have understood these topics to which we have studied today, and in next class we will study about the real image and virtual image. So you study about the real image and virtual image, and whenever we will take the next topics, then I will discuss about the different topics, but you just study and practice on these topics whatever I taught today. Thank you very much for watching this video. God bless you. Have a nice day.